Namaste yogis. Welcome back to my Vinyasa class. So in our previous video we did sun salutation with the beginner level. Now in today's Vinyasa class we are going to work on sun salutation with the intermediate level and also 3 or 4 sun salutation in a sequence. So in order to start a class, all you need to have a yoga mat and a presence of mind. So let's start this class with Om chanting in a sitting position. You can sit in Sukhasana or you can sit in Vajrasana. So let's start. Now simply place your hands over your lap. Try to maintain your spine straight. If you have a lower back issue, you can take a support of your wall. So let's start. Gently place your hands on your lap. Close your eyes. Slowly take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly drop your chest down. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your throat. Inhale. And exhale out. Try to relax your mind. Relax your thoughts. Try to find your presence. Now with the next inhalation, slowly bring your palm here to heart center. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Breathe in. And exhale out. Prepare yourself for 3 Om. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Inhale. Slowly minimize your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly down your head by opening your eyes. Look up. Namaste. Okay, let's talk about what's new you can expect from this session. So today I'm going to teach you how you can do Chaturanga Dand Asana from Ardha Uttanasana in a simplest way, and also how you can jump from Adho Mukha to Ardha Uttanasana in a simplest way. So first I'm showing the demo, then we'll start. As you see how easily I move from Ardha Uttanasana to Chaturanga and how easily I move from Adho Mukha to Ardha Uttanasana. This is the main topic of today's class. So in order to start this sun salutation, you can take a 1 feet distance from the top of your mat as I'm doing here. So let's start. Breathe. Take your time. Now with the next inhalation, lift your hands up over the head, look up towards your thumb. As you exhale slowly by extending your spine, go for full forward. You can micro bend your knees. Slowly place your palm by side of your feet. Breathe in by taking your fingertip support. Extend your elbow, extend your spine, look forward. So as you exhale, micro bend your knee. Place your hand by side of your feet. As you send your right leg back, you have to lean a bit forward. And as you send your left leg back, at the same time, bend your elbow for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Look forward, keep your spine straight. Slowly by tucking your toes in, go back to Adho Mukha. Breathe in, look forward. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Now slowly lift your hip up by lifting your heels off your mat. Slowly micro bend your knees, look forward. And now make a slow jump. And jump front in between your both hands to cover up your Ardha Uttanasana. Now as you exhale, go for full forward. Now inhale, slowly come up. And exhale, relax. Okay, now let's start with the Ardha Uttanasana. So by bending your knees, take a fingertip support, straight your spine, look forward. So this is our starting point. So now from here, I'm going to teach you how you can go to Chaturanga Dandasana without jumping back in a simplest way. This is an intermediate series, so we are not jumping back. We are working on like as simple as we can. So let's start. So this is the position here. Look forward. So as I told you, you have to place your hands on your mat. Keep your knee bent, look forward. As you place your right leg back on your mat, you have to shift your shoulder forward. It's like you're leaning forward on your shoulder. I'm showing you again. Place your hand, step your right leg back and shift your shoulder forward. And now, without moving this position, as you step your left leg back, you have to bend your elbow and find your Chaturanga Dandasana. So I'm showing you one more time. Look here. From the starting point, Ardha Uttanasana, keep looking forward. Place your hands on your mat. Breathe. Now this time you can see my shoulders and my palms are in one line. Take your time, breathe in. As you exhale, step your right leg back and shift your shoulder forward. Don't bend your elbow, keep your elbow locked. Look forward. Now as you step your left leg back, you have to bend your elbow for Chaturanga Dandasana. And inhale for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. So this is the simplest way you can go to Chaturanga from Ardha Uttanasana. So one more time, I'm showing you this technique so you can use this in your daily practice. You can take your time. If you have a wrist pain, you can just move your wrist to release pain. Shake your hands, take your time. So let's start from Ardha Uttanasana, look forward. Same technique. Exhale, drop your palms down, look forward. Check your shoulder and your wrist in one line. As you exhale, step your right leg back and slightly shift your shoulder forward. Breathe, take your time. As you exhale, as you're sending your left leg back, slowly bend your elbow and find your Chaturanga Dandasana. Nice and slow. Inhale. And exhale, move to Adho Mukha. So here we are done with Chaturanga Dandasana. So let's work on how you can jump from Adho Mukha to Ardha Uttanasana. So first I'm showing you the demo. then we can work on the technique. So this is Adho Mukha. You can take your time, take your breath here, breathe. Keep your spine straight, lift your hip high. Slowly lift your heels up to the mat by bending your knees, look forward. Take your time. Now you have to jump in front of your both palm, in between your both palm. Breathe, and as you exhale, so jump forward for Ardha Uttanasana. So let's work on the technique. So simply come up for Adho Mukha. So in order to start this technique, I am showing you a partner example. So you can work with your family member, your friend, or whoever with whom you are comfortable. So let's start with a partner work. So what you have to do, you have to place both feet by outside of your partner palm, not inside. Now from here, grab your partner waist and you have to lift them up. So when you're lifting your partner hip high, so they can easily drop their both feet in between the palm easily. How? Look here. By grabbing a partner waist on 3, 1, 2, 3, just jump and lift. You can see I am lifting his hip high and slowly drop down. Okay? So one more time. Go back to downward facing dog. Same technique. Lift up, 5, 4, 3, jump, lift, and slightly drop in between the palms. So this is how you can work with your partner. In case if you don't have any partner, so here I'm showing you a second technique you can work by yourself. So for this you have to go back to Adho Mukha, or you can minimize the gap by walking forward a bit from your feet. Look forward. The same technique we are going to use here. You have to jump in between your both palms. Okay, make a nice jump with the inhalation and jump for Ardha Uttanasana. Okay, I'm showing you again. You don't need to go for full downward facing dog. Okay, you can come forward, you can minimize your gap. So first lift your hip high by lifting your heels off the mat. Look forward, drop your hip down, bend your knee, breathe, and jump for Ardha Uttanasana. So this is the second technique you can use by yourself on your daily practice to learn how to jump from Adho Mukha to Ardha Uttanasana. So let's do the sun salutation in a sequence with 2 rounds. Breathe. Take your time, minimize the breath. Prepare yourself. Now, as you inhale, lift your hands up, joint your palm, exhale, forceful forward. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana, look forward by placing your hands, same technique for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha and exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Nice and slow. So I'm using the second technique here. Breathe, take your time, jump for Ardha Uttanasana, look forward and exhale for Uttanasana. Inhale up and exhale. One more round for Uttanasana. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Same technique. Go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Nice and slow. Take your time. Inhale up. Exhale. Go back to Adho Mukha. Nice and slow. Now this time, I'm jumping from the full downward facing dog. Same technique. Lift your heels up by bending your knees. Jump slightly for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale. Now inhale up and exhale, relax. Inhale and exhale, for Uttanasana. Inhale out, forward Uttanasana. Exhale, slowly go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. As you exhale, inhale up and exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Now slowly by dropping your knees down, gently relax in child pose. Take your time, take a breath. Nice and slow, few more breaths here. So that's it for today's session. Let's end this session with one Om and three Shanti. So gently place your hand on your lap. You can close your eyes. Slowly take a deep breath in. Exhale, release. Breathe in. Exhale out. Now with the next inhalation, bring your palm near to your heart center. Exhale, release your shoulders down. Prepare yourself for one Om and three Shanti. Breathe. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Stay there. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale slowly down your head, by rubbing your palm, slowly place your palm on your eyes, slower down on your face, open your eyes. Hari Om. Namaste. Keep breathing.